In this video, we will analyze the list of error codes in DAIKIN brand air conditioners, specifically those related to temperature sensor issues. We will classify them according to the sensor's position to make them easier to understand. 1. Temperature sensors and internal unit pipes. Code C4. Malfunction of the liquid pipe thermistor in the heat exchanger. Code C5. Malfunction of the gas pipe thermistor in the heat exchanger. 2. Temperature sensors and external unit pipes. Code J3. Malfunction of the compressor discharge pipe thermistor. Code J5. Malfunction of the compressor suction pipe thermistor. Code J6. Abnormal resistance of the external heat exchanger thermistor. This may be due to a defective or shorted thermistor or a disconnected cable. 3. Air temperature sensors. Code C9. Malfunction of the suction air thermistor. Code CA. Malfunction of the discharge air thermistor. Code H9. Malfunction of the external air thermistor. Code HA. Malfunction of the discharge air thermistor in the external unit. 4. Oil temperature sensor. Code JH. Malfunction of the oil temperature thermistor. Steps to troubleshoot temperature sensor issues. 1. Turn off the air conditioner and disconnect it for several minutes. Then, turn it back on to check if the error persists. 2. Locate the involved sensor according to the error code. 3. Check the position of the sensor. Ensure that the sensor is properly placed and secure in its position. 4. Verify that the sensor's connections to the electronic board are secure and that the cables are undamaged. 5. Disconnect and reconnect the sensor. Clean the connections if necessary. 6. If the error persists, turn off the unit, disconnect the sensor, and measure its electrical resistance with a multimeter on the kilo-ohm scale. The measured value should never be 0 or infinite. When rubbing the sensor with your hand, the resistance value should decrease. 7. Compare with the specifications. If you have the device's manual, compare the measured value with the sensor specification table. 8. If the error persists, visually inspect the electronic board that controls the sensor for faults. Consider replacing the involved electronic board. If the problem continues,